Two productivity giants, Notion and Jira, face off. Which one really delivers? On the left, Notion, the all-in-one workspace for notes, docs, wikis, and project management. And on the right, Jira, the agile powerhouse trusted by software teams for issue tracking and development. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real story. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
All right, before we jump into the details, here's a quick mind map of everything we're going to cover. Ease of use, agile and issue tracking, docs and wikis, collaboration, reporting and analytics, integrations, and, oh yeah, the price. Stay tuned because each one matters in its own way. Kicking things off, let's talk about ease of use. Notion, and I've got to say this, is kinda a dream if you like things intuitive. The interface just makes sense. Drag and drop everywhere, and setup simple. Whether you're a total beginner, or, the person on your team who always gets stuck fixing things for everyone else. But fair warning for big squads. If you want to build a monster workflow, yeah, it'll take a bit of work. Now, Jira, honestly, you're immediately hit with a ton of features. If you live and breathe tech, you'll be right at home. But for everyone else, it's a steep learning curve. Like, you might need a crash course just to start your first project. I mean, it's powerful. It's just kind of scary at first. So the ease of use crown, that goes to Notion.
Next up, agile and issue tracking. Notion actually lets you track tasks and basic issues, and it has some customizable templates for workflow. That's cool if you're keeping it light, but there's no real sprint planning or backlog refinement built in. But Jira? Okay, this is legit its wheelhouse. You get sprints, backlogs, velocity tracking, totally customizable tickets for dev teams, and automation that knocks out the boring stuff. Sure, it's maybe too much for simple projects, but for serious agile, it's like the industry standard. Hands down, Jira takes this one.
All right, let's talk docs and wikis. Notion seriously shines here. It packs in rich documentation, has databases, internal wikis, and makes personal or team knowledge management easy and, well, kind of fun. But yeah, if you're a giant company, you'll want to set aside some time to get it organized. As for Jira, docs aren't really its thing. It focuses on issues and tasks. No native wiki, and documentation features are as basic as it gets. So Notion's the obvious winner for documentation.
Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Notion lets you turn any database page into a public website instantly. Like, you can literally build a wiki or a landing page and share it with the world with just a click. Kind of wild, right?
Collaboration is next. Notion connects you across multiple workspaces. You've got shared docs, embeds, comments, and honestly, it's as good for personal stuff as it is for the whole team. Sometimes linking up your dev tools for real-time tracking might take a minute, but overall, it's super flexible. Then there's Jira. It's built for dev teams, so it connects with GitHub, Figma, you can comment, tag, coordinate on issues, but it's definitely angled toward developer-style teamwork. So collaboration winner, that's Notion. Now, let's get nerdy. Reporting and analytics. Notion gives you basic stats. You can see progress, track tasks, but the more advanced, nitty-gritty project reporting is kind of missing. Jira, though, pulls out all the stops. Dashboards, sprint charts, burn down, velocity tracking, SLA reports. You want data, you'll get data. You might need some plugins, but again, for serious analysis, Jira's your friend. So the win here definitely goes to Jira. Integrations! This is always a biggie, right? Notion hooks up with Slack, Miro, Canva, Zapier, and a ton of other apps. Sometimes you'll need a third-party connector, but still, loads of options. And Jira? It's like the hub for software teams. So you get GitHub, Figma, Slack, all those dev ecosystem goodies. You may need an admin to set up the deep integrations, but you won't struggle to connect what you need. Honestly, both are totally stacked here, so we're calling this a tie.
Final stretch, price.
Notion is pretty nice. There's a free plan if you're solo, and prices are fair for teams looking for docs and wikis, but once you get bigger, paid plans start at around $10 to $12 a user monthly. Jira also starts out with a free plan, and paid plans start at roughly $7.16 per user monthly if you've got at least 5 seats. Thing is, for really advanced stuff, Jira gets more expensive with add-ons. So it's not super clear-cut, but Jira definitely wins on base price. even if there's a few hidden extras. Okay, let's zoom out for a sec. Imagine all those categories we just covered plotted out on a radar chart. Notion's ahead in ease of use, documentation, and collaboration, while Jira's got agile, issue tracking, price, and supercharged analytics. Integrations, they're both crushing it.
So what's the verdict in 2025?
Notion is just king if you want an all-in-one, flexible workspace. It's perfect for organizing, docs, wikis, and general project management. But honestly, if your team lives for sprints and detailed issue tracking, Jira kind of becomes non-negotiable. Startups and creators, you'll have more fun with Notion. Dev squads who need structure, Jira's the boss. If you found this Notion versus Jira comparison useful, let us know. And if you love these bite-sized product deep dives, follow for more actionable breakdowns. We've got a ton coming.